welcome everyone to yet another altcoin update. Today we will be looking at the very complex patterns in Chainlink. Like I said in the past, Chainlink is one of my most favorite altcoins out there, but unfortunately the chart structures in this one just look horrible, and I want to inform everyone here about our counts and what happened in the last month. So if you didn't see the last video, I can recommend watching it, and if you have seen it, this will be a lot better to understand. So this low right here in last December represents the cycle bottom, cycle wave 2, like you have seen it in other videos from me in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. And since then, we established this wave 1 in an ABC movement 2. And this is a very tricky and complex movement. We established this very short wave 1 and an ABC, which saw an insane wave B, which almost breached $9, and then we crashed down in the following weeks. This was a really harsh drop. I think it was about almost 30%. This was really harsh drop. So there are a lot of questions open about Chainlink and some alternatives, but I guess I will explain this in a slightly higher time frame so that you guys understand the movements. This is the same, just a little bit simplified. This is the movement, this is the wave structure which you have just seen. This 1, 2, ABC, 1, ABC, 2. This would mean that we should see an end of the correction in the next days, or already saw it right here. And this would mean that we would see a huge wave 3, which would finally push us above $9.50. Like I highlighted it, this is a very tough resistance because we have 3 very significant tops, and we never managed to break above them in Chainlink. So this is gonna be a tough quest for Chainlink. But yes, if we could tackle this resistance right here, the door is open for prices above $10. We would establish this 3, 4, 5 in this big wave 3, and a 4, 5 again until we establish a macro wave 1, 2. Macro wave 1, sorry. This is the macro wave 2. But there are some alternatives I want to point out. The first one is that this one would have been wave 1, and the whole movements which we have since then seen would resemble wave A, B, C. Honestly, I am constantly evaluating which scenario is the most likely one right here, and I am still not 100% sure which will turn out to be true, but I just wanted to show you this. Both these scenarios mean good news in the end for Chainlink, because this would mean that the wave C would have ended here already, and we would see a huge wave 3 in the upcoming months, which would tackle this resistance right here, then $10, and hopefully we would reach prices of $15 this summer. But of course, I am still unsure whether a scenario will turn out to be true, but I just wanted to highlight this to you guys. So stay tuned. Chainlink is a very complex token, and I know a lot of investors are frustrated with this coin because we traded in a very long sideways channel, and just like somebody sent me a photo a few weeks ago, and it was a good laugh because we are almost trading a year inside this sideways trend, and it's really unique in crypto, and especially among altcoins. This is, I think, Chainlink is the only token which established such a long sideways trend, and it's really frustrating some investors. I know, but I'm still very optimistic in this coin. We have multiple positions in this, and I am optimistic about the future. So we will have to push through this frustration. And if you have questions or feedback, just write them in the comments or contact me directly. I will answer them, of course. So I hope this is understandable. We will move on to the macro count. I haven't shown this in quite some time, and I want to use this opportunity to show it to you. This is Chainlink since its beginning right here in 2017. And of course the listing is Coinbase. Notice I just switched exchanges. We track the Bitfinex count, but on the long term we use Coinbase because it is more complete. Yes, and as you guys might know, Chainlink topped here at approximately $52 in cycle wave 1, and since then we have seen this very, very long correction in an ABC structure, another ABC structure, and this huge last wave which pushed Chainlink down tremendously, and top to bottom we lost nearly 90%. So impressive beer market, of course. And yeah, that's the whole count in Chainlink of the past. And as you can see, these two movements, I haven't highlighted them because I'm open to changes. But I want to show you our price goals regardless in Chainlink. I've talked about this many, many times before, and our orange trading zones resemble the range in which Chainlink could possibly top out in the next bull run. And my number one target is the 1.618 extension. That's the most important one for wave 3 at $91. So that this would be a huge move, and the potential is enormous in Chainlink. And the door is open for prices to up to even $125, but nobody knows how impulsive the next bull run will be, and depending on the volatility, it could be higher or lower, but just that you guys keep this in mind. That's already it for today in Chainlink. I hope you could understand this whole movement. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't get frustrated about this coin. So see you guys on another day. Have a good one, and goodbye.